Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Silverado door handle. First, you'll need to gather your tools, including various screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and a new door handle specifically designed for your Silverado. Having the right parts and equipment on hand before you start will make the process much smoother. Also, make sure you're working in a well-lit area with enough space to comfortably maneuver. This preparation is key to a successful and efficient repair. Next, we'll focus on removing the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces, such as those around the door handle or window switch, using your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the trim is off, locate and unscrew all visible fasteners holding the door panel in place. These are often found in the armrest or behind the door handle. Finally, gently pull the panel away and disconnect any electrical connectors and door cables before fully removing it.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It features voice control, self-emptying capabilities, and is perfect for pet owners. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort. You can find the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the door panel removed, you'll see a plastic moisture barrier. Carefully peel this back to expose the inner workings of the door. Now, locate the bolts or clips that secure the old door handle to the door frame. These can vary by Silverado model, so take a moment to identify them. Once found, disconnect the rod or cable that connects the door handle to the latch mechanism. This step frees the old handle for removal. Now it's time to install your new door handle. First, connect the new handle's rod or cable to the latch mechanism, ensuring it's securely fastened. Then, position the new handle in place and secure it using the mounting bolts or clips you removed earlier. Before you reassemble anything, take a moment to test the new handle's operation. Open and close the door a few times to confirm it's working correctly and smoothly. This ensures a proper installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.